Kärcher, a brand name that stands for power, quality and innovation, that people associate with the color yellow, and its best-known product, the high-pressure cleaner. However, there is much more behind the Kärcher name. Kärcher's success story begins with one of Germany's eminent inventors and entrepreneurs, Alfred Kärcher. His work follows the tradition of great Swabian engineers such as Robert Bosch and Gottlieb Daimler. In 1935, the young, inquisitive engineer founded his own company, Kärcher. Initially, Alfred Kärcher concentrated on industrial heating systems. The first high-pressure cleaner that Kärcher introduced on the market in 1950 also incorporated a water heater. It was a milestone in the company's history. Following Alfred Kärcher's untimely death in 1959, Irene Kärcher, the founder's wife, took over management of the company. Under Mrs. Kärcher's leadership, the company adopted an international focus and concentrated on high-pressure cleaners and cleaning technology from 1974 onwards. In this process, the brand color was changed from blue to yellow, another milestone in the company's history. The entry into the consumer market began in 1984. The first pressure cleaner for private households was launched. Following Irene Kärcher's death in 1989, responsibility passed on to the next generation. The company extended its international presence, the product range expanded, and new business sectors opened up. What started out as a small workshop is now the world market leader in cleaning technology, with nearly 7,000 employees and an annual turnover of 1.4 billion euros. What's the secret behind this amazing success story? One of the answers, at Kärcher, everything revolves around the customer. Our customers are at the center of all our considerations. They provide us with the input as to which direction we should take in respect to innovation and our entire corporate orientation. Innovative products are developed at Kärcher on this basis. Kärcher has a research and development team of more than 550 engineers and technicians, cooperating closely with the market research, product and environmental management departments, as well as sales. In the course of its history, the company has obtained patents on more than 1,000 inventions. 85% of the products offered have been developed within the last 5 years. Our innovations don't happen by chance. In solving our customers' cleaning problems, we apply specific processes to arrive at the best possible solution for their needs. So we really have to understand the problem better than the customers or users themselves. Product development follows a predefined sequence: specification, CAD model, virtual reality, prototype. What comes next is a thorough test phase: environmental compatibility, low consumption, maximum functionality and safety. The new machine has to pass all these tests. Only then can serial production begin. It has to be possible to handle different types of production, from a special one-off unit built by hand to highly automated large-scale production. The challenge? To guarantee the highest quality standards, even for production outputs exceeding 10,000 machines per day. The target? 0 defects throughout the entire process. It all starts with incoming supplies. Only flawless components and materials make it through for use on the production line. Kärcher achieves a particularly high level of efficiency through flexibly interlinking individual production phases, close teamwork, and the employee's ability to perform multiple tasks. Every product undergoes a 100% technical inspection. A machine is shipped for sale only when everything functions absolutely perfectly. For Kasha, it's not just a question of satisfying customers, but also to inspire. For years to come and in all areas in which Kasha products are used, privately or professionally. The customer arrives home, unpacks the machine, wants to start cleaning. Does he know where to begin? Was he able to put it together easily? Did he solve his problem? It's crucially important to us to hear the end of the story, no matter whether we've developed, distributed or financed the product. Kasha has a worldwide network of some 40,000 service dealers to ensure that customers can enjoy using their machines for years to come. An excellent service can only be provided by competent, motivated and reliable employees. We want to ensure high levels of training and professional development. Last year we invested in 2.8 days of specialized training per employee, which I'd say sets a benchmark for the industry. Our values, such as top performance, that work's done with a sense of dedication and of responsibility for the company's success, discipline to consistently create this success, being ambitious to achieve aims, great importance is attached to these values. Living by values and maintaining value. This is one of the maxims that rules Kasha's activities, which include environmental protection. Kasha machines are constantly optimized in terms of environmental compatibility and conservation of natural resources. The company minimizes energy and water consumption in both production and administrative areas and has received numerous awards for these efforts. This commitment is a direct reflection of Kasha's identity. Kasha will continue its cultural sponsoring activities to support the preservation of historic monuments. This includes some extremely complicated cleaning projects, sometimes under very difficult conditions. These activities attract international attention and further demonstrate Kasha's position as the global leader in cleaning solutions. Kasha has some 40 subsidiaries all over the world. 85% of the company's turnover is already achieved outside of Germany, and this percentage will increase in the future. We can truly say that we're a global company. Our strategic planning for the next few years envisages setting up additional sales subsidiaries abroad to increase our global presence, since there is a need for cleaning technology in many markets. The international orientation of the company has resulted in a steady increase in brand recognition. To a large extent, this is also due to a clear-cut brand positioning and consistent marketing across all product groups. The color yellow stands for competence in cleaning technology worldwide in a constantly changing market. Even though many things are subject to change, Kasha believes in continuity.
Anpassung an ständigen Wandel.
Adaptation to continual change is the decisive factor. As change is constant, adaptation must also be constant. The willingness and capability to adjust and be flexible are vital to survival and a prerequisite for surviving successfully. The company remains faithful to its own high standards. Kasha will continue driving innovation. Kasha will continue setting standards in technology and customer satisfaction. Kasha will continue striving to be the best. Kasha will continue being Kasha.